I said after last season that I wanted a project where I will feel identified, where I'm gonna feel that I can give my best, I can give my passion, I can give my energy, I can give all my knowledge, because you must be convinced on everything that you are doing. And if I'm convinced, then I will convince the player. Of course, the players that they are the most important. I'm here to organize them. I'm here to help them to improve, because this is what the player wants. When I was a player, I wanted that the coach will improve me as a player, and I can make steps. This is the reason that I'm here. What transmits to me this passion about this project, and I can see that the people, the directors that they are organizing this club, they are doing with these feelings. And for me, this is the most important, because after, of course, it comes the quality, the talent. But before, without this passion and with energy, it's impossible to show the talent. All the coaches, we don't have one magic stick that the players they will change quickly. I mean, the quality that they have already. I mean, what they have to do is to organize them and to open their eyes that they better than till now they were doing. So at the moment, I know that I have a quality team. Last year it was very tough to play against Celjsko. It was one of the difficult to beat. So now I have I can have in my hands. What I want is that the opponents, every time that I need to play, or they have to play against Celjsko, they are struggling. That they have these feelings that against us they will have less possibilities to win. And we want to be dominant. We want to be a team that control all the situation of the game. And the most important, that we want to be the protagonist on every single game. I cannot promise wins. I mean, this is the truth, because if I say I promise wins or titles, I will lie. But on what I can affect is on the way how this team will play. And I believe that if we play better football, we are closer to win games. That's why on the way how we're gonna play, I want that first the players and the directors, the club and the fans, that they feel proud of this team, the way how they play. We're gonna win games, we're gonna draw games, and we're gonna lose games. This is normal. This is a game. But I'm sure the way how we will play, we will win more games than opposite. And also, again, as I said, we want a style that everybody feels identified, feels happy and enjoying, because at the end you have to see that the players, they are enjoying on the pitch, and this is one of my targets also for them. I have in my hands a team that all the expectation and the possibilities is to win the championship. When I hear someone say, no, okay, we will try, of course we will try, because we cannot assure anything. Nothing is sure about that we will win every single game, but I will not say that we are 50-50. I will not say that on favorite way, or that we will try to finish in the top 3. I'm here to win. I'm here to win, to make this team a machine, and this is what I will try to do, of course. But I will not lie anyone. We are here for the title. We have only this target, and I want that all my players, they have this in their mind, just playing to win. But as I said, to win is the consequence of the way how you play. So we will try to play as better as we can, and to have a style of game that not only us, also the other team, they can see and they can enjoy how we are playing.